Side hustles, exploring the world of supplemental income. In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, the concept of traditional employment has undergone significant changes. The rise of the gig economy and the pursuit of work-life balance have led many individuals to explore the realm of side hustles. A side hustle, in simple terms, refers to a supplemental source of income that one pursues alongside their primary occupation. These ventures have gained immense popularity, providing individuals with flexibility, financial freedom, and an opportunity to pursue their passions. The significance of side hustles. In an era marked by economic uncertainty, side hustles have emerged as a viable solution for many. These additional streams of income serve as a financial safety net, enabling individuals to bolster their savings, pay off debts, or fund their passions and dreams. Moreover, side hustles provide a sense of empowerment and independence, as people take control of their financial destinies and diversify their income sources. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, a stay-at-home parent, or a retiree, side hustles offer opportunities for people from all walks of life to augment their earnings and achieve financial stability. Types of side hustles. The universe of side hustles is diverse and expansive, catering to a wide range of skills, interests, and expertise. Here are some popular types of side hustles. A. Freelancing. Freelancers offer their services to individuals and businesses on a contract basis. Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual assistants are some common freelancing gigs. B. E-commerce. With the advent of online marketplaces, individuals can set up their e-commerce stores to sell products. Dropshipping, print on demand, and handmade crafts are popular e-commerce side hustles. C. Sharing economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, Airbnb, and TaskRabbit allow individuals to leverage their assets, car, property, skills, to earn money on demand. D. Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses or offer coaching services. E. Content creation. YouTube, podcasting, and blogging are avenues for creative individuals to generate income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. F. Renting assets. Renting out unused space, such as a spare room, garage, or storage unit, can be a lucrative side hustle. G. Pet sitting and dog walking. Animal lovers can earn extra cash by caring for pets while their owners are away. H. Event and wedding planning. If you have strong organizational and planning skills, event and wedding planning can be a rewarding side gig. I. Photography. For individuals passionate about photography, selling stock photos or offering photography services can be a fulfilling venture. Benefits of side hustles. A. Financial security. The most apparent benefit of a side hustle is the additional income it brings, offering financial security and stability. B. Skill development. Side hustles provide an opportunity to hone existing skills or develop new ones, leading to personal and professional growth. C. Pursuing passions. Often, side hustles involve activities that individuals are passionate about, allowing them to indulge in what they love while making money. D. Networking and opportunities. Side hustles introduce individuals to new networks and potential career opportunities. E. Flexibility. Unlike traditional jobs, side hustles often allow for flexible working hours, enabling individuals to balance work and personal life. Challenges of side hustles. While side hustles offer numerous benefits, they are not without their challenges. Some common hurdles include: A. Time management. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job and personal commitments can be challenging, requiring effective time management. B. Competition. Depending on the chosen side hustle, there might be intense competition, making it essential to stand out from the crowd. C. Burnout. Taking on too much can lead to burnout, impacting both the side hustle and the primary occupation. D. Legal and tax implications. Running a side business involves legal and tax considerations that individuals must be aware of and adhere to. E. Initial investment. Some side hustles may require initial investments, which can be a barrier for some individuals. Tips for success in side hustles. A. Passion and purpose. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your passions and interests, as it will be more fulfilling and sustainable in the long run. B. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for your side hustle and identify potential competitors. C. Time management. Create a schedule that allows you to allocate time efficiently to your side hustle without neglecting other commitments. D. Networking. Build and leverage your network to find clients, collaborators, or mentors who can support your side hustle. E. Continuous learning. Stay updated with industry trends, best practices, and new technologies to stay competitive and improve your skills. F. Set realistic goals. Define clear and achievable goals for your side hustle, both short-term and long-term. G. Financial discipline. Keep track of your earnings and expenses, and set aside a portion of your side hustle income for taxes and savings. H. Seek feedback. Be open to feedback from customers or clients and use it to improve your products or services. I. Know when to scale. If your side hustle gains traction and demands more time, consider whether scaling it up is feasible and beneficial. Conclusion. From financial security to pursuing passions, side hustles provide a pathway to greater independence and fulfillment. However, they require dedication, perseverance, and effective time management to thrive amidst challenges and competition. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, there's a side hustle for everyone to embark on their journey towards financial freedom and personal growth. So, if you're considering diving into the realm of side hustles, embrace your passion, stay committed, and venture into the world of opportunities awaiting you.